Light, low calorie, no sugar added, no oil or butter, and still a chocolate cake that tastes amazing. Yep, it's real. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Here's what you'll need: 3 eggs, 150 grams of oats, 140 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, 65 grams of monk fruit sweetener, 20 grams of cocoa powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, and a third cup of milk that it's not on the picture here. Let's get started. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add your sweetener. I'm using monk fruit, but if you prefer honey, go for it. Just know it adds about 200 more calories. Mix it up. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and your yogurt. I'm using non-fat Greek yogurt for extra protein. It blends right in and you won't taste the tang in the final cake. Next, oats. I blitzed mine into a fine flour using a NutriBullet. Now sift in your cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. Stir gently. Cocoa powder can puff up and make a mess, so take your time. The batter will look thick at this point. To thin it out, add a third cup of 2% milk and stir it until it smooths out. Now pour it into an 8 by 8 glass dish lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. Stick a wooden skewer in. If it comes out clean, you're good. Let it cool just a bit before removing from the dish. At this point, the cake is ready to enjoy. But if you want to make it a little bit more exciting, I melted an ounce and a half of chocolate with about 2 tablespoons of milk in the microwave for about 15 seconds. If you like a thicker sauce, just use less milk. Let's slice it up. 9 servings, around 100 calories each, with 6 grams of protein. That's not counting the chocolate sauce. Look at the texture. Light, airy, it looks like your favorite bakery cake, but without all that sugar and fats. And the taste? So good. Honestly, it's a win. Light, satisfying, and totally worth it.